This could be really cute or this could be a mess. Either way, I'm gonna put it up because content. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Bria Blendiana YouTube channel. My name is Bria Donna, aka Bria Blendiana, and today I have a really fun makeup look for us today. So I was on Pinterest a couple weeks back. I like to go on Pinterest when I'm looking for different inspiration, different looks I want to try, and I came across this beautiful like sunflower cut crease look. I'm gonna insert it in the video right here, right there. And then I was like, oh my god, like I want to try this. So here we are today. We're gonna recreate that look, and it came out pretty. It came out pretty good. So yeah. But before we get into the video, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I have a shirt on. It's just a tube top, so it's right there. But I'm not naked. And to start the look off, we're gonna start off with some tape. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm gonna put that as a base for the shadows I'm gonna use, because I'm using something. Because my colors I'm gonna use is real bright today, so I need something for the colors to stick on. And I'm gonna bring y'all in close, so don't even worry about like, oh Bria, I can't even see. Like, honey, don't worry, you're gonna be real close to my face. So then to blend that in, I'm gonna take this small contour brush and just blend that in real quick. And if you're like me and you do your makeup with like eyelash extensions, be sure like when you're putting your shadows on, don't press on too hard. And another good tip is to like tilt your head back so you could like see what you're doing. And it helps not let the concealer crease in your natural eye folds. Airspun translucent powder on this like fluffy brush, but I'm only gonna set the top part of my eye, like right above my natural crease, because it's gonna help my transition colors blend better. But I'm only gonna take a little bit, I'm not gonna take too much. Kind of just set it a little bit, not too much, because keeping the base sticky, keeping the concealer a little wet helps the colors adhere better because it has something to stick to. But being that this is mostly where like a lot of the colors are going to be like smoked out, like really blended out, I want a little bit of an easier blend just on the top part of my eye, right under the brow bone. Anyway, so I'm going to start off with the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. You know this palette ain't got no mother effing names on the shadow colors, but I'm gonna start off with this yellow right here. Sorry, with that yellow right there, and I'm gonna use a blending brush. Drop that in my lap. I'm gonna use the blending brush. Dip it. Oh Lord, I don't think you can see this. A yellow is really hard to formulate for makeup companies, so in order for it to show up on me, I have to like deposit the color by tapping it in. Tap 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 tap, and then I start to like blend it out. Well shit, I gotta tap it off. I'm gonna get the Magic by Juvia's Place palette and dig into this like rusty orange color named Zakia, but then also, no, I'm just gonna use that. Yeah. So I'm gonna dip into that with this small like little fluffy brush. Ooh, see? Oh my god, I'm almost dropping something. And I'm gonna put that like right here. That's why I took the yellow all the way up, because I wanted to put another color here above my crease. Okay, so I'm back. I decided that I'm not gonna do a cut crease because I just don't need that much stress in my life. Like, cut creases are really good. I love a good cut crease. Like, do not get me wrong, I love a good cut crease. I love a good cut crease, but they require a lot of like concentration and like edging them up. I don't feel like doing that right now. I want to keep the look very simple, and a lot of the detail is going to be into me drawing the actual flowers, so I don't really feel like doing a cut crease right now. But what I think I'm gonna, the color I'm gonna put on my lid is brown though, because I feel like that would be really cute. This could be really cute or this could be a mess. Either way, I'm gonna put it up because content, and it's really funny to watch people fail sometimes, so I like watching those videos too. Into my box of crayons palette by the Crayon case, I'm going to use the color I'm gonna use the color brown, and I'm using it on this flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna apply that right on top of my lid. Into the orange now. I start to just bring it into my outer V. Just merge that brown and the orange together. And for this, I want to keep it really tight, so I want to use circle motions versus windshield wiper because I'm not dragging the color anywhere. I want to keep very concentrated on the outer V. So yeah, so this is now the moment that we've been waiting for. I'm so shook right now. Like, I'm super shook because I don't ever do shit like this, and liner is not my strong suit in makeup. Like, I'm good at a lot of things in makeup, but liner is just like my kryptonite. So when I work with liner, I'm just like shook, like, oh my gosh. But anyway, that's why you keep doing it and doing it until you get better. So now I'm gonna create the sunflowers. So I have my Inglot gel liners in yellow, and then I have it in a white. So the yellow is obviously for like the yellow petals of the sunflower. The white is for like white specks. And I don't know, I just seen it in the like pictures that they were using some white, so I'm like, let me get some white. So, and then also for like the sunflower, like that thing in the middle of the sunflower, I don't know what it's called at this point. I'm kind of dumb. If I figure it out, I'm put it in the video. But I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany because it's super dark, and it's gonna give me what I got. It's gonna give me what I got for a poke chop, even though we don't eat this wine around here. So quick prayer. All right, now we about to finish starts. I'm kind of thinking that mostly I'm done, but I'm gonna go back in with tiny strokes because they kind of still look like asterisks, but I feel like it's okay that they look a little messy because it's like you want to give the illusion that they're flowers. So usually, especially with sunflowers, they have petals on top of petals on top of petals, from what I can remember off the top of my brain. So I think it's kind of okay that they look a little messy because you want to give the illusion that they have like petals and they have depth to them. I could just be making an excuse because they kind of look like shit a little bit, maybe, but we're gonna keep going because I'm already in this. I already drew it. I'm already in this. So I'll be back after I finish like going back in and touching them up a little bit. I'm gonna take for like the little, I still didn't take that time to Google what the thing is called. So for the little like brown circle in the middle, I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Espresso and draw in like the centers of all my flowers. Like really cheap white eyeliner from the beauty supply store by Ruby Kisses. It's not really that good, but it's like the only white liner I have. Leaves to like the flower. So what I'm gonna do, I don't have like a super dark green gel liner. I have this one. This one's pretty bright that I have for my slime makeup tutorial, but it's too light and it's gonna get lost. So I'm going to make my own green one. So I have this. Oh, where are you? Nope. This is it. Okay, so I have this NYX pigment in blue, and it's a loose pigment, and then I have my yellow gel eyeliner. So I'm gonna mix these two together because yellow and blue make green. So this is our green pigment. This is our green pigment, and I'm gonna take the same liner brush that I was using for the yellow. I wiped it off, and now I'm going to sip it in. So now I'm gonna do my brow bone highlight, and I'm gonna go back into my Juvia's The Magic palette and use the color Bonnaroo. That's like my favorite. With this is a Naked 3 brush. It came in that Naked 3 palette, and I'm gonna use the color Bonnaroo. Here she goes with that all again, yo. Oh my god. I hate kids. Put it right on my brow bone. So now y'all, I am going to just go off camera, finish the rest of my face, like do my foundation, all that good stuff. It's kind of like how they do it in my other videos. Well, it's the same way how I do it in my other videos. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The only thing is, oh my god, now the motorists want to come. Damn, damn, damn. Okay, so now the only thing that's going to change, instead of using my Too Faced foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS foundation today. This is like my second, well no, this is my favorite foundation. The Too Faced is my second favorite foundation. Let me record my video. I'm using my NARS foundation today in the color New Caledonia. I think that's how you say it. You know, NARS got some really funny names. And so I'm going to do all of that, come back, and then finish off the rest of the eye look, which is really gonna be the under eye and all that good stuff. So I'll be back. Okay, so I feel like, so we're back to the eyes now, so let me get in there. I want to do something, like I think I want to draw a sunflower like right here. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. I was trying to figure out a ways to like give a little oomph to it besides just smoking out my waterline. I think I'm gonna draw a sunflower like right here. I think that'll be really cute. So now y'all, I'm gonna line my waterline with this green waterproof gel liner from Maybelline. It's called Glossy Emerald. And what is that on it? Oh. I'm just gonna do that. Oh my god, that shit is broken. Oh, that poked me in my eye. Now I'm like living for my lip now. Like now it just makes sense. Now everything is just all together and it makes sense. Okay. Icky. All right, so we're pretty much done. I'm gonna unwrap my hair. Not unwrap it. I'm gonna take my hair ties off. I'm gonna put some jewelry on. You know, zhuzh up the look, and then I'm gonna be back for my outro and tell y'all the thoughts of my process, the thoughts of my overall look. So, hey there, buddy. So yes, y'all, that is the end of our makeup look. This is everything all done, put together with some little jewels on. So guys, this is the end. This is like the final look of the eyes. Like, I was just like, I want this to be good. I want this to be perfect. I want it not to be perfect because I knew it wasn't gonna be perfect, but I wanted it to at least be like good enough to take some pictures in, because I'm like, yo, I think this would be really cute. Like, oh my god. And I want to say, for the things, for the like the liners I was using, like the Inglot liners, I do not suggest them because they were so difficult to work with. Like the formula is very drying, so it really makes it hard when you're trying to really like draw on certain little things, because it's like you always have to dip in the pot and keep dipping over and over, and it's so dry. Yes. I'm definitely excited to do more looks like this. Comment below and let me know what y'all think, of course. And also I wanted to mention, look at my tube top. Sorry, that's my mic. But look at my tube top. It says my name Bria on it, and it's by my best friend. Her name is Aaliyah, and her website is her website is www.fashionxaaliyah. Go shop for your own personalized tubies. They're so popping. Like, and everything is hand done by her. They're made by her, designed by her, made for me because I ordered this one. Nah, but anyway, get your tube tops. They're so popping. Like, come on now, support black business. And thank you to everybody who subscribed to me. Thank you to everybody who thank you for everybody who subscribed to me. Thank you for everybody who comes and looks at my videos to the end. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Bria.Donna. And come on now, before I'm out of here, I do want to say this. The most important thing I will always say in my videos is, if you cannot cook, you can always serve a look, period. Slayder.